The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for, okay, what the actual fuck, are you fucking serious right now? You're complaining that your precious programming was interrupted by something that can fucking save your life for God fucking sake. Anyways, continuing on. White House until 2 p.m. Central Time. Okay, I fucking give up now. You keep complaining about your precious little programming. Only one person in the entire world wants to hear you. It's a little child in Africa. Oh wait, he does not want to listen. Nobody wants to hear you. Ha 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 ha. Imagine crying over something that can save your life. Maybe you should go and bash your fucking brains out with the goddamn brick. Oh wait, I should let the tornado do that. White, I said how much you know what to do. I'm done with this job. Even though we'll end up in prison,